Okay, everybody, welcome back here. Back to the room, the cave, my cage, my goon cage, and we're gonna try a little something interesting. Okay, so we've got the same rig that was set up last night, except for now that SPDIF, because we just changed to SPDIF from USB, that power supply on the SPDIF converter is now operating off battery supply. It's charged up since yesterday, so I'm not sure how much that made a difference. But the amps are also breaking in as well. That's been happening. So again, I don't know how much of what we're hearing are the changes that we're making or the amps breaking in or what have you, but things sound pretty good. So what we're going to try today, we're going to do a couple things right now, but the first thing is I'm going to play a piece and then I am going to change out the speaker cables on the tops. So that's to the Maggies. What's in there now, I think, is pure silver. I have to check when I get back over there, and then I'm going to put in the latest alloy. It's a pure silver with just a little touch of gold in there to change the resonant frequency to just give it a little touch of flavor, I guess. And we'll see if we can hear a difference. The ones that I'm putting in are not broken in, and we're taking out cables that are broken in. So it might sound crappy at first. I don't know. It might sound great. We'll see what happens. And we can determine if it's a good thing or not. So I'm going to play the piece first with what's been in the rig the whole time we've been doing these videos.
Wondering aloud how we feel today. Last night at the sunset, my hand in her hair. We are our own saviors as we start, both our hearts beating live into each other. Wondering aloud, will the years treat us well? As she floats in the kitchen, I'm tasting the smell. Yeah. Of toast as the butter runs.
Okay, so now I'm going to go swap out the cables. We're going to leave the coppers that are big. We got big fatty coppers. I'll show you over here. We got the big fatty coppers over here. These are 3 inches wide, and those are going to the subs. And then over here, we've got the silvers, but let me see what I've got. Well, that one's not printed. Okay. Silvers are 2 3/8. They're the previous version. Let's see if I can see anything on them. No, these are like misprinted. I think they are pure silver. Anyways, the new ones are 2.5, and they're 50% thicker. So we'll see how they sound. So I'll be right back. Okay, and here we are now with the new speaker cables. These are a little bit thicker and a little bit wider, and they are an alloy with a little bit of gold. Let's see what happens.
Wondering aloud how we feel today. Last night at the sunset, my hand in her hair. We are our own saviors as we start, both our hearts beating live into each other. Wondering aloud, will the years treat us well? as she floats in the kitchen. I'm tasting the smell, yeah. Of toast as the butter runs, then she comes, spinning crumbs on the bed, and I shake my head, and it's only the giving.
Well, that'll be interesting to go back and listen to, because I can't really. I mean, I have an idea what I think I heard, but and maybe it's even no different. I don't know, but we'll go back and check it out. But so that is the difference between foils. Some of the Verastarr audio foils. We're going between the statement and the statement gold are the two speaker cables. So that was interesting, and I'll be back with more.